What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a beautiful looking CMA using AI without the need of any sort of programming or automations or any really, complicated external tools. We're just going to use simple, basic prompts, ChatGPT, and a couple of free tools that you can utilize. You're looking at saving yourself 2, 3, 4 hours per listing presentation. So with that said, let's dive right into how you can create a beautiful looking presentation. So the first thing we're going to do is go on to Cloud CMA. Now, Cloud CMA, although is a paid tool for most brokerages across North America, you will get this included as part of your NAR or Korea membership for most boards. But there are some boards that use other software, so they won't give you access to Cloud CMA, in which case I think it ends up being about $20 to $30. Majority of the people watching this video, you should have free access to this tool. Anyway, when you do have access to Cloud CMA, what you want to do is click on Create New Report, click on CMA, and just title it as the address of the property. So we're going to select this particular address. And what's important here to not skip out on is giving it this minimal information. So bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just pull the listing. And we can see here that the total square footage is 3511 interior. And it's got 6 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. So with that said, let's go ahead and plug that information in. So 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3511. Go ahead and click on Fetch Listings. Don't worry about setting a price. Just click on Customize Report. Click Publish Report. And it'll take a couple minutes to give you a PDF. Great, so now we have our PDF. If we click View PDF, you'll notice that it created a massive document for me, 60-page document. And although this is a great document, the reality is it's very difficult to take this to a listing presentation. Papers going everywhere, or you trying to scroll down on this on your computer. It'll be a mess, right? It's just way too much information. It's an overkill. So what we want to do is we want to use this information to create it and convert it into a beautiful presentation. So what we're going to do is click on Download. I'm going to go ahead and just download this onto my desktop. And now we're simply going to go into ChatGPT. Free version is totally fine. And here we're going to go ahead and add that document that we just saved onto the desktop. Perfect. And we're going to add a prompt. I'll include this prompt at the bottom of the video for you guys. And it says, give me a detailed and comprehensive summary of the CMA from the perspective of a motivated seller, evaluating how their property stacks up. Focus on the subject property first, its features, strengths, and how it compares to recent sold and active listings. Include all relevant pricing insights, days on market, condition, upgrades, and location factors that would influence list price and buyer perception. Do not leave out any important detail. Write as if you're advising me directly, not in third person. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so we can now see that it's summarized all of that information, the most relevant information out of that massive document, and it's created us a nice, detailed, but concise sort of layout of all the most relevant information. Okay, so what we want to do now is copy all of this information. So starting from subject property overview, all the way down till about here. This portion is, ChatGPT just asking you more questions, so you don't have to copy this information. We're going to just copy this. And what we want to now do is go on to gamma.app. Okay, so you can sign up for free on the software. And then you want to click on Create New. Once you click Create New, you can go and select Paste in Text. And we just copied from ChatGPT. You're just going to go ahead and paste that on here. And so now, there's a few options that you have to select between. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the first option, Generate from Notes or an Outline. Continue to Prompt Editor. And here it says it's selected card by card. Let's just do freeform. It'll let you select up to 8 cards, so we want to maximize that. And what we want to not have selected is this generate. What we want to do is click on condense, and we want to keep it to concise. And when it comes to images, we don't want AI images. We want to select stock photos. And we can go ahead and click continue. So now you can choose your brand colors, like whatever you like. There's a ton of different options. I like to keep it simple, so I'm just going to select this first option called Pearl. Click generate. And there you can see it. It is literally creating a full-on presentation that would normally take you a lot of time. Now, obviously, it did select stock images, so if you wanted to change it, so maybe if you wanted to put the actual properties image here, if you wanted to change any of the images, you can feel free to do that. So the easiest way to change images, all you got to do is double click. It says unsplash images. Click on that. And here you could just image upload or use URL. So you could just, whatever that image is, you can drag and drop it in here, and then it'll go ahead and swap it. So there you have it, guys. An entire CMA done in under 5 minutes, all done through AI with just simple prompting, most of them being free tools. What would normally take you hours is now taking you 5 minutes, which is great. Now, if you want the prompt and you want the links to the programs that are being used here, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description of this video. It'll take you to Skool. It's a free Skool group that you can join. The moment you join that free Skool group, you'll have all the information within one of the course sections. It'll give you the prompt, all the links that you need to make this happen. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you like more of this content. Our goal here really is to empower real estate agents just like yourself to start using more and more AI to buy time back, and then hopefully focus more on revenue producing activities for your business. With that said, I'll see you on the next video.